Everyone loves cats singing, from holiday carols to pop hits, but you've never heard them like this. Natural, sensual, raw. Singing the works of celebrated artists like Al Green. Peabo Bryson and Roberta Flack. And boys to men. Cats in Heat singing the sounds of romance. Available now on Apple Music, Spotify, and anywhere records are sold. Please do not play this album for your unneutered male cats, as it will cause them to destroy your stereo with their horrific spiked cat dicks. Also, do not use it to get your cat in the mood. We know you're lonely. Don't be a sicko about it.